All right, my friends, y'all know what time it is. It is time to announce the winner of the PaintCrush by Christy Rice travel brush that I showed in this video here. And I am going to pick from the 18 comments, it's actually more like 9, one blessed winner. Okay, now I just want to thank you all for participating, for commenting, for watching the video, and I hope you guys will come back for more of what I have to share with you and some more giveaways. Now look, we have a winner named under construction, Thank 84. If you are watching this video, my good friend, please send a email with your name, your address, and prayerfully it's a U.S. address because I ain't shipping this thing out of the country. And I will get this out to you within the week. Now, I want to again thank you all so much for watching. And until we're back here together on YouTube, y'all, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty, and stay tuned for the next giveaway. Bye, y'all. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.